I have written a slap bass groove that incorporates every important technique that I think you need to know to get a really groovy, iconic, happening, hip, awesome slap bass tune. So this video is just about teaching this riff, which is more of like an intermediate to advanced kind of feel. If you're struggling with the technique, save this video for later and go work on some technique stuff first. If you haven't watched my slap bass techniques toolkit, that might be a good video to go watch, where I break down slap, pop, and hammer-on. Those are the three foundational techniques. There's more, obviously. There's double thumb, there's pull-offs, there's double pops, there's left hand slapping, there's all kinds of stuff. But the slap, the pop, and the hammer-on are the three foundational techniques. I am gonna put these tabs up on my website, maxagebass.com. So it starts like this: slap, slide. Okay, so we're gonna slap F sharp, 2nd fret E, slide up to the G sharp. G sharp, Dorian, G sharp minor. Anyway, and then a pop on the high G sharp, 1 and. So I have it written as 1 E and, but you really just want to think about 1 and. Slap, slide, pop, 1 and. Then we got 2 quick muted notes on the A string, followed by and a pop slap, F sharp, D sharp. Gotta do it really slow. After that, pop, hammer on, F sharp to G sharp. Then a muted slap on the D string, pop the 4th fret G. E and up. Should point out the 16th notes in this one are swung. And then we're going to do a muted slap pop. I have it written there as the EG, but you can do any string you want. I did the EG because I was just on the G string and the E, and I like that deeper thud with the higher thud. So the second measure starts off all the same, but now we're going to do a muted slap on the A string or the D string, doesn't really matter, followed by a slap on the C sharp, 4th fret of the A string. There's one more iteration of this. So what's going on there is we're doing these double stops. Someone asked me the last time I talked about double stops why they're called that. I think it comes from the violin terms, and when you play a note, you're stopping the string there. It can't vibrate past your finger, so you're stopping it. So this is 2 stops on 2 double stop. There you go, double stop. B and a D sharp, and then an A sharp and a D natural. That brings us to part 2. Part 2, we start with 2 8th note slaps, G sharp, 1 and 2 E and, slap, pop, slap on the F sharp octaves, E sharp. We got lots of sharps in this one. And then, so we got slap, 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 pop, slap, slap. Three and a 4 E and, slap, pop, slap, slide, pop, slap. One E and 2 and 3 E and a, slap, slide, pop, slap, pop, muted, F sharp, slap, slap, slide, slap. And then immediately up those 2 double stops. This time we're starting with the low 1, sliding up. That's the last time. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. There's the whole thing. So now, I got the trusty old Funklet fired up here. Skull Staps. George Bragg on Skull Staps. It's a New Day. Funky groove fits pretty well with this. So we're just going to use it. I'm going to take away some of these 16th ghost notes on the bass drum so it's not quite as busy. Alright, I'm going to take this to 92 BPM. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Here we go.